Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can add Spotify to Discord. So first off here, if we're going to open your Discord app, as you can see here, just click on the user settings at the bottom left-hand corner. And here on user settings, you will find all the options here. So you just have to click on the connections. And then here, as you can see, add accounts to your profile. So basically, you can find the Spotify here. So just click Spotify. And then as you can see, you need to allow Spotify to connect to Discord. So you're going to click on agree button. And once you click on agree, then you will now taken to this page, as you can see, connecting your Spotify account to Discord. You can close this window and go back to Discord, right? So you can now go back to your Discord app. And then from here, you can just enable this to display on your profile. And you can also enable this display Spotify as your status. So once done here, so you're going to play your Spotify. Then basically, if you're going to a server, that will show up right here listening to Spotify, right? Now you can basically share it to all of your members on your server. You just have to click on the share your screen button right here at the bottom left. And then here you want to open up your Spotify first to basically make it large screen, right? So there you go. Then go back to your Discord. And then from here again, click on share screen and you will find your Spotify screen right there and click go live. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.